Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy HJ. Welcome back to HJ's Garage. Today we're going to be starting work on this long-term E28 project. It's an M535. It's owned by my boy Sam. We'll get into it. Stay tuned. So a little bit of background about the car. If you know your BMWs, it's an E28 chassis, is what BMW used to code their chassis. So it is a 5 Series, it's an M535i. It's owned by my mate Sam. This is actually the level underneath the M5. They have started becoming a very popular classic these days. This car is actually in very good condition considering the age. It's a 1987. It is in Zinnober red metallic. Obviously, as you can tell, the car's been off the road for quite a number of years actually. I think 6 years in total. So, as you can see, there is nothing in the engine bay. So the car came without an engine and gearbox. So the car wasn't automatic when it was manufactured at the factory, but we are converting it to a dogleg gearbox. So the plan with this particular car is Sam's already bought a replacement engine for this car. It's an M30B34 which came standard in the M535s. Also he's fitting a dogleg gearbox which is a little bit different from your conventional manual. So your first is actually down to the left at the bottom as opposed to what most people are used to at the top. So that's a little bit of a nice touch, if it were, for the M535. So I'll take you for a little quick walk around the car, because me and Sam will be doing this together. So Sam's channel is actually down below. He's also got a supercharged M6, so Sam's always been into cars, and we're good friends, and I've done quite a lot of work on his cars. He used to have an E34 in the past, so this M535 is something he's been looking for quite a number of years. Hasn't been able to find the right one up to now. Overall, the condition of this car for the age, it's a 1987 as I mentioned previously, is actually in very good condition. Body wise, there's not a significant amount of rust. The floor panels are quite solid actually. So let me take you around the car quickly. Right, so as you can see, there's no engine and gearbox. The plan with this is, first what we're going to do is we're going to wash it to see what we're working with. So as you can tell, there is a little bit of rust in the battery tray, which is a common thing on the M535s. It will be a fairly in-depth restoration of this particular car. As you can tell, it is in Zinnober red, which is a very nice color once it's all polished up. Overall with the car, considering that it's a project car, it's come quite complete with everything. All the bumpers, the whole kit is all together, which is really good. Which, if you're looking at a project car, these things are now hard to find, so we're quite happy that we've got them already. So quick run through of the interior. The interior's been stripped to a certain degree because the previous owner was looking to put an M62 B44 4.4 V8 out of 5 Series into this car initially. That was the plan. But he had the car 6 years, and he eventually gave up on doing it. So overall, the interior is in fairly good nick considering the age and considering it's been off the road for so many years. It came with a lot of spare parts, as you can see on the floor here. It's for the manual conversion. We've already got the pedal box. Gearbox is over here in the corner. So overall, he's been quite lucky with this car. So we'll be taking you on the journey with us with everything that we do on this car. It will take a few months, probably up to a year, to have this car back on the road. So Sam's also got other plans in terms of having the body painted, probably the engine bay, get the rust that it's got. It's got some on the driver's side sill, So we're going to replace both sills. That I won't be doing because I can't weld, but that will be sent out to be done. And here is Sam. Sam, say hi for the cameras.
What's up?
So,
welcome to the channel.
So Sam's M6. Hopefully I'll be able to give you a quick run through of that car later on in this episode. So we're gonna get to it. First thing we're gonna do, Sam, why don't you tell them what we're gonna do?
First thing is roll the shell out, jet wash it down, see what we're working with. We're gonna strip the interior, just check out under the carpet, see if there's any rust. Give it a whole deep clean and go from there. Stay tuned.
What we're going to do now is we're just going to remove the seats from the car. So there is a bolt here that holds the seat belt to the seat, and then there's 4 bolts that hold the seat to the frame. Alright, we're going to just take the seat belt off. It's a 17mm socket. So we're going to take the bolts off for the seat, 17mm again. I'm just going to pull the seat out. It's already been unbolted. That's the seat out. Nice and easy. Alright, going to pull the back seats out. That's the rear bench out. Alright, to remove these backrests, both sides have a 10mm screw. So you got to take the rear headrests out. So we've got one out almost here. There we go. We've got the one there. There you go. That's the backrest out as well. Alright, so as you've seen, we've done a little bit of work on the E28 today. We've seen a bit of rust in the front footwell, which will get sorted. The car will be sent off to get the sills done, as well as the part of the floor that's got a bit of rust. Had a bit of trouble taking off the accelerator pedal, but that's all done now. So that's the E28 done for today. We will try and get some regular updates to you guys as and when time allows around work, because this is literally a hobby for us. So the car will be sent off to have the paintwork sorted, as well as the engine bay. A few little bits of welding that are required to be done on this car. So as I mentioned earlier, we're going to be getting the sills replaced on that. So that includes the jacking points all the way around. There will be some welding done in the battery tray, which is a common thing on the E28s. So we're going to close that video there. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate the support. If you want to get some sneak peeks into the work we're going to be doing, follow the Instagram page down below. Please like and subscribe. If you guys love what you're seeing, please share the video as well. It'll be great for the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.